I'm gonna show you how easy it is to change the battery here on this Kwikset Wi-Fi Halo door lock. It's very easy to do. It's a slot right here. You can stick your fingernail in it if you got fingernails. If not, just use a little knife. So I'm gonna try to do it without my knife. So just pull it straight up. And once you pull that up, the only thing you have to do is reach right here and pull this up. And right here, I'm gonna come in and just turn it over. These have your AA batteries. It's 4 AA batteries. And what you do, you just take them out. And there you go. And you go grab your new batteries. Once you grab your new batteries, you see the spring right here. That's your negative. And your negative is the flat part. So you just put it and push it in and put the negative in first. Push, slide, push, slide, push, and slide. And that's it. And you come right here, you drop it in. You see these poles? You drop it in and take your cover. You probably heard it beep there one time. Take your cover, slide it back on, and you're done. That's how easy it is to change the battery on this Kwikset. And I usually change my battery whenever it gets down to about 40%. Under 40%, I change it. And these batteries last probably 4 to 5 months, maybe 6 months. But like I said, I change mine once it gets 40%. And then the app at the top right, it'll tell you what percentages you have on your battery. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.